Chapter 1, the first chapter, the family. I am Mr. Smith. I am a man and a father. Mrs. Smith is my wife. She is a woman and a mother. We have 3 children. John is our son. He is a boy. Helen is our daughter. She is a girl. We also have a baby daughter. She is a girl too. I am the father of John, Helen, and the baby. Mrs. Smith is the mother of John, Helen, and the baby. Together, Mrs. Smith and I are the parents of John, Helen, and the baby. John, Helen, and the baby are our children. Our family consists of 5 people. I am a person. Mrs. Smith is a person. John is a person. Helen is a person. The baby is a person too. There are 5 people in our family. We are the father, the mother, the son, the daughter, and the baby daughter. We have 3 children in our family. They are John, Helen, and the baby. There are 2 girls in our family. They are Helen and the baby. There is 1 boy in our family. He is John. I am Mr. Smith. I am the father and the husband. Mrs. Smith is my wife. She is the mother. We are the parents. John is the brother of Helen. Helen is the sister of John. The baby is the sister of John and Helen. Helen and the baby are sisters. John and Helen are brother and sister. Who am I? I am Mr. Smith, the husband of Mrs. Smith and the father of our 3 children. Who is Mrs. Smith? She is my wife and the mother of our 3 children. Our 3 children are John, Helen, and the baby. We are a family of 5 people.